Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to turn any photo to a sticker on your iPhone. So let's go into Photos, and I'm going to choose my friend Nicholas right here. And all you have to do is click on Nick or click on the subject you want to turn him into a sticker. And you click on it and you hold it. And now you can see that there's this white little fluorescent light that's outlining Nick. And you can see right above him, there's a share button and a copy button. I'm going to press on copy. And now I'm going to either go to iMessage or WhatsApp, go to my group chat, and I can click onto where I'm going to send it, tap on the text bar, and then click on paste. It's going to load up real quick. And now I can just click send. And now I sent it as a sticker. And that's how you turn photos into stickers. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.